Number 10 asks us to find the values of a, b, and c such that the graph of y equals ax squared plus bx plus c passes through the given points of negative 3, 7, 1, 7, and 4, 49. So to set up my system of equations, this equation right here is the one that helps me get my set. So I'm going to plug in my values for x and y. So in my first one, my y is 7 and my x is negative 3. So everywhere there is an x, I'm going to put negative 3. Everywhere there was a y, I put 7. My second equation is going to have the point 1, 7. So 7, x we replace with 1. And then 449 for my third equation. I'm going to go ahead and simplify these by multiplying them out. So this first one, I get 7 equals 9a minus 3b plus c. 7 equals 1a plus 1b plus c. And my third equation is 49 equals 16a plus 4b plus c. This is the system I'm going to use. From here you can use matrices to solve if you would like. I'm going to use elimination. Right away I look that c looks like it would be the easiest thing to eliminate first. So I'm going to multiply equation 2 by a negative 1. This way my c one of them will be positive and one of them will be negative. So my first equation is 7 equals 9a minus 3b plus c. My second equation is negative 7 equals negative a minus b minus c. 7 minus 7 is 0. 9a's minus 1a is 8a. Negative 3b's minus 1 more b is negative 4b. And c minus c is 0. Goodbye. Now I'm going to use the same middle equation, but with my third equation. So 7 times negative 1 is negative 7. Negative a, negative b, and negative c. And I use my third equation, which is 49, 16a, 4b, and c. (49 minus 7) gives me 42. 16a's minus 1a is 15a. 4b minus 1b is 3b. C minus c, goodbye, they canceled out. Now I'm going to solve for either a or b. So on this one, I would say that b is easier to get by itself or to eliminate, just because the common factor between b for these two would be 12. So here I'm going to multiply by 3. Here I'm going to multiply by 4, and then I'm going to combine. 3 times 0 is 0. 8 times 3 is 24. Negative 4b times 3 is negative 12b. Then I multiply by 4. 42 times 4 is 168. 15 times 4 is 60a. And 3 times 4 is 12. 0 plus 168 is 168. 24 plus 60 will give me 84. And 12b and negative 12b are gone, 0. Divide by 84, and we get 2. A equals 2. Now that I know A, I can plug it in, substitute it into one of these two equations to get B. I'm going to use, for the sake of the smaller numbers, this equation right here. So 0 equals 8, A, which we found to be 2, minus 4B. 0 equals 16 minus 4B. Negative 16 equals negative 4B. Divide by negative 4 and we get B equals 4. Now that I know A and B, I can find C. So I'm going to use, for the sake again of smaller, easier numbers to work with, this middle equation, because if you see A and B are already singular numbers, there's no coefficients. So I'm going to use that equation. 7 equals A, which is 2, plus B, which is 4, plus C. 2 plus 4 is 6. Subtract 6 and we get C equals 1. There it is. A is 2, B is 4, and C is 1.